Hello everyone. Welcome to the Samsung Product Consultant channel. Today on our desk, we have one of the unsung heroes of the Samsung ecosystem, a product my store customers constantly ask about when it comes to price to performance, the Galaxy Buds Core. We are looking at these earbuds through the eyes of a sales consultant, examining how they combine active noise canceling technology with an ultra-comfortable design. If you're ready, let's dive into all the details. Let's start with the design. The very first thing you'll notice when you pick up the Galaxy Buds Core is that iconic wingtip design. As you know, the biggest concern with in-ear headphones is the question, will they fall out of my ears? Samsung really prioritized ergonomics here. These silicone wingtips gently but securely grip the ridge of your ear. Whether you're working at the office or out for a run in the park, the earbuds stay firmly in place without creating any pressure. For those looking for all-day comfort, this is exactly the fit I recommend most often in the store. Moving on to audio performance. The Buds Core isn't just a device that sits in your ear. It's an assistant that isolates you from the outside world. The active noise canceling feature comes on by default. The moment you put them on, the background hum disappears, letting you focus entirely on your music. It's also quite ambitious when it comes to bass. You can really feel Samsung's signature advanced and powerful sound here. When you want to feel the rhythm, it delivers a deep, satisfying audio profile that won't let you down. As a Samsung consultant, I can confidently say this: phone calls are just as crucial as music. The Galaxy Buds Core features a total of 3 microphones. Using beamforming technology, these microphones separate your voice from the ambient noise and transmit it clearly to the other end. So, even if you are in a windy environment or a noisy cafe, your voice reaches the caller as if you were sitting in a quiet room. And here is the future-proof feature that truly sets this product apart from its competitors: Galaxy AI support. If you have a compatible Galaxy phone, these earbuds instantly transform into your personal translator. Thanks to the interpreter feature, you can hear real-time translations of a foreign language right in your ear, without even needing to look at your phone screen. You can have a back-and-forth chat using conversation mode, or listen to a lecture in your own language using listening mode. This is exactly what technology is all about. My absolute favorite part of the Samsung ecosystem: auto switch. If your phone rings while you're watching a movie on your tablet, the Buds Core detects it, pauses your video, and routes the call audio to your ears. When you hang up, it switches right back to the movie. You don't have to touch a single thing. Also, say goodbye to "where did I put my earbuds?" With Samsung Find, you can see the last known location of your earbuds on a map, and if the case is open, you can easily find them by making them ring. Finally, let's talk about battery life, because I know no one wants their earbuds dying in the middle of the day. The Galaxy Buds Core offers up to 35 hours of total playback time with the charging case. Even with ANC turned on, you get up to 20 hours, meaning you can easily get through the longest flights on a single charge. In summary, the Galaxy Buds Core offers an experience far beyond its price tag with its strong ANC performance, secure wingtip design, and AI features. As I always tell my guests who want to try them out in the store, don't just hear it, feel the Samsung quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the most accurate information on Samsung products. See you in the next review. Take care.